Alright, SD card back in, battery back in, we're good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vlog. So today, we're going to be heading to the Allstate Arena here in Chicago, Illinois, for WWE Monday Night Raw. The previous vlog before this one, I actually vlogged like flying here to Chicago, from Mexico, because I wanted to travel to Mexico. I also vlogged over there, so if you guys want to check that out, go ahead and do so. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a short summary of what's going on. So I haven't been to a wrestling show in over 3 years. Last time I went to a wrestling show was also here in Chicago, at the same arena, the Allstate Arena, which was Money in the Bank 2018. It was a great show. Actually, these seats that we got this time, they're better than the ones we've had in the past, so I'm very excited about that as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's head to the Allstate Arena, and I'm very, very excited. And yeah, so catch you guys in a bit. Alright, so we just stopped by at Slice Factory. I'm gonna get some pizzas. I got my raw shirt right here. Very excited. Yeah, these pizzas are actually huge. It's just like one slice, but it's massive. So let's get some pizzas. Alright, we're here at the Allstate Arena now. Can't wait. Alright, we're here inside the Allstate Arena now. I haven't been here in 3 years. It's crazy, man. Very hyped for the event. This is honestly bringing back so much memories of when I first came to my first WWE show. Other shows. Where's the intro at? We're not showing the intro. Like we can hear it though. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Chicago, let's go. Bobby Lashley, come on. Bobby! Yeah! Bobby! 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 Bobby!
Without question, Goldberg is an icon of growth. WWE Hall of Fame.
Yeah, okay.
Still capable of fighting the final match of his storied career. Remember Goldberg and his own. What the heck?
Wyatt! We want Wyatt! We want Wyatt! Miss TV! NXT! This is after the show went off the air, by the way. Bobby!
Alright everyone, so it's currently the next day. It's the morning right now, so it's August 3rd, 2021. Yesterday it was Raw, August 2nd, so yeah. I just finished editing the vlog. I just need to insert this clip at the end, but yeah. My vocal cords were in pain last night. I lost my voice yesterday, and my ears were also like in pain. It was crazy. The fans literally took over the show. We want Wyatt, CM Punk, the entire show. It was crazy, man, and I had a lot of fun. So hopefully WWE comes to the Allstate Arena again this year for maybe another Raw, another SmackDown, or SmackDown, I don't know. Who knows? But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's vlog. I don't really have anything planned, like, as another vlog for a next vlog. I don't have anything planned. It's like, this is literally it. So I'm gonna try to look for some things to do, maybe the vlog, so just stay tuned for that. But for now, I think that's gonna be it for vlogs, just for now. Next couple days, weeks, until I find something that's good enough to vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I am trying to make it into the world of vlogging. It has been my passion for a long time, and yeah, so any support helps. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching once again. Peace out.